K40 radar. I'm gonna try to open the roof. Oh, shoot! Давай! Давай! Okay guys, this car doesn't have a key, turbo, Porsche turbo 911, and I take it out the body control module, and I bring to my friend, and he did make a key. He reprogrammed the key, and we're gonna try to install it right now. 1 second. And I'm gonna check it out if it's gonna work or not. Looks like this car has K40 radar. Let me install this one first, and then I'm gonna put in power and try to start the car. I hope this car is gonna start. Okay guys, I just put in back together the body control module. Right now I'm gonna plug the battery. Looks like battery dead. Okay, let's check it out. First time. Wow guys, it's working. Okay, looks good. Looks like battery dead, and that's why amplifier. Okay, it's accept the key. Ignition on. Okay, let me replace the battery because so a lot of noise. I'm gonna replace the battery. Oh, okay guys, just install the battery, new battery, I mean use. And right now I'm gonna try to start the car. This is the first time. I never tried before. Hold on. I think something wrong with the amplifier. Wow, nothing. Doesn't start. Maybe it's the push button somewhere here. Open. 1 second. Let's try to open the roof. Now close the roof. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna try to open the roof. Oh no, I think I'm gonna... Nope. Doesn't work. Oh, shoot! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. I just broke the glass. I don't know why I try. Why? It's okay. Bad day. It shows blame. 1 second. Let me put it back everything. Hold on, I think they... I think I can push them back. 1 second. No. Okay, I got it. Okay. I mean, that sucks. A little bit sucks. I don't know how much this glass costs, but I don't think it's cheap. Let's check it out on eBay right now. Porsche 911 convertible roof glass. Okay. Looks like nobody has. They sell it complete. This is the Boxster. I think they not sell separately, so I think it's gonna be really expensive. Looks like nobody has. But guys, you see, this is happening just right now. It's still like cracking or something. You can hear. I hope it's gonna be not hard to replace it. But oh shoot. But maybe it's gonna be expensive because this is the material roof. And I don't know how glue on or... Second, let me use the flashlight. Shoot. Alright. But for some reason cars won't start. Guys, I think after accident rear glass been open and maybe this car has some flood, like some water inside, maybe on the floor. Man, I know why, because it looks like parking light is blinking, like something wrong, so that's why it's blinking. Hold on. Yep, sheets is working. But I hear the engine is turned, so it's like for sure the engine is good, so I'm not worried about the engine anymore. I'm wondering why it doesn't start again. It doesn't turn again. What is this? I think it's spoiler. Oh yeah. Okay, spoiler, it's going up. Okay, this works fine. Man, I'm so upset, guys. I don't know, this probably gonna cost me about 500 bucks at least. It's called, I don't have experience for Porsche, that's what it's called. I'm gonna try to put in back those pieces. Okay, I think I have to take care of the seat, and yeah, I have to take care of the seat. 1 second. And then putting back together. This is called safety airbags for convertibles. Hold on, I think I can put in back them like that. Okay, let me try. I can see the switch over here. You can see, guys, the switch. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna try putting back them. Man, that's actually, I did this before I opened the roof. Oh yeah. Why it doesn't go anymore? Okay guys, I'm gonna bring the vacuum and vacuum all this glass. Okay guys, I tried to put in back them. For some reason they release by themselves, you know, it's not holding, and I got myself, you know, it's pretty bad, you know. So I'm gonna probably do tomorrow. A little bit tired for tonight, but I'm kind of happy and not, you know, like extra stuff, and I'm really upset with the roof, with the glass. It's special. You can see the special bolts they made to crush the glass. I don't know why. So supposed to be the glass supposed to be to replace easy, supposed to be. I think it's glue on. You have to glue on. I don't think you have to replace whole roof. Hold on, let me try. Let me check. I think the glass, you have to put in the glass from, I think from inside. It's really paint. Okay guys, I'm gonna work with this car tomorrow.